In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the chart time zone. If you want your chart to display time in a way that matches your location or your preferred market session, this is a very simple setting to adjust. Changing the time zone can make it much easier to read candles, track openings and closings, and understand exactly when market activity is happening from your perspective. To begin, open your chart and look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. In that area, you'll see the current time displayed, along with the time zone label. This might show something like UTC or another time zone setting, depending on how your chart is currently configured. This section is important because it controls how time is represented across the chart. Once you've located it, click directly on the time zone text. As soon as you do, a list of available time zone options will open. This list usually includes a variety of locations and presets, so you can choose the one that best matches how you want to view the chart. Take a moment to scroll through the list carefully. You may see options such as Exchange, New York, Kolkata, and many others. Now select your preferred time zone from the list. If you want the chart to match the exchange's official time, choose Exchange. If you prefer to analyze charts based on your own local region or a major financial center, select the appropriate location from the menu. Choosing the right time zone is especially helpful if you trade across different sessions and want your chart timing to align with the hours you follow most closely. As soon as you click your selection, the chart will instantly update. The time axis will recalibrate to the time zone you chose, and all time references on the chart will now reflect that setting. You don't need to refresh anything or manually save it in this step. The change takes effect immediately. If the chart suddenly looks a little different after the update, that's completely normal. The price data hasn't changed at all, only the way time is displayed has been adjusted. This means your candles, sessions, and timestamps are now being shown according to the time zone you selected. And that's it. That's how you quickly change the chart time zone so your chart reflects the time format that works best for you.